English made easy. Learn common verbs and vocabulary for daily usage. Prick. Prick. I gave my finger a prick with a needle. Be careful, the thorns will prick you. Cram. Cram. He's been cramming for his exams all week. I have to cram for my chemistry test tomorrow. Wicked. Wicked. He is a wicked boy. Wicked children are quite annoying. Ash. Ash. He flicked ash into the ashtray. After the fire, only ash was left. Stroke. Stroke. While stroking his little cat softly, he was watching the television. Stroke the dog if you want, he won't bite. Hottie. Hottie. She is such a haughty girl. The shopkeeper was very haughty. Dung. Dung. You can see the fresh buffalo dung on the road. He got cow dung all over his boots. Repeat. Repeat. I'm sorry, could you repeat that again? Can you repeat the alphabet with me? Tear. Tear. I saw my mother tear up the letter. I tore the newspaper into pieces. Fear. Fear. I have a fear of the dark. I feel fear when I hear thunder. Escape. Escape. The prisoners tried to escape through the main gate. I have no chance to escape. Scold. Scold. Don't scold the child, it's not her fault. Don't scold the child without reason. Saw. Saw. He was sawing the bread with a blunt knife. He was in the backyard sawing logs. Where? Where? You should wear a thinner shirt in summer. He likes to wear woolen socks in winter. Sweat. Sweat. I was sweating a lot despite the air conditioning. She wiped the sweat from her face. Pour. Pour. Could you please pour me some tea? He carefully poured the water into his glass. Yell. Yell. You don't have to yell, I can hear you. Don't yell at me like that.